Hello. Today we're going to learn about mining a company website for data. A company's website is an excellent source of information. While the content of the website must be reasonably balanced within the requirements of the law, you need to remember that the purpose of a website is to promote the company, and its information may not be completely objective, so you should also use more objective sources in your research. All websites are different, and this is just one example. Most company websites have a section for investors with a company overview, press releases, earnings releases, SEC filings, presentations, and other information. This website is for Wyndham Worldwide, and their investor section is at the very bottom of the page. And you can see those very things on the left-hand side: a company overview, press releases, stock information, financial information. If you click on Company Overview, you will get a description of the company's business. Click on Press Releases, and choose a specific year. And you can access all of the press releases that company issued during that year. Stock information can include a chart of recent stock prices and volumes. This is Wyndham's stock performance over the past month. You also can change this chart based on the information that you want to get. Instead of a time frame of 1 month, you could choose a time frame of 10 years. You could compare Wyndham's performance against that of a competitor. Starwood is a competitor with the ticker symbol HOT. You can compare both of their performance against the S&P 500, which is a group of 500 representative stocks. We'll use a standard scale. We'll click Submit. And now you have a chart comparing the performance of Wyndham against Starwood against the S&P 500. You can also look up the price of the stock as of a particular date in the historical price lookup function. For example, let's use December 12th, 2013. This chart shows that on that date, the stock opened at $70.90. The high was $71.21. The low was $69.95. The closing price was $70.25. 1.5 million shares were traded during that day. You can even calculate the value of your investment in the company's stock by going to Investment Calculator. Let's say on January 14th, 2013, you invested $10,000 in Wyndham. The calculator determines that $10,000 has grown to $12,373.21 for percentage change for a gain of 23.73%. There's probably no better information about a company's financial performance than its quarterly earnings releases and accompanying documents. Many companies also provide earnings guidance, summary financial data, analyst coverage, and the annual report on their website. So here you can get a copy of the company's fourth quarter 2013 earnings press release, the financial tables that go with that press release, a replay of the conference call that the company had with analysts, the earnings guidance that the company gives to investors, cash flow information, and you can get this information going back several years. Let's click on the press release. The earnings release is a press release with commentary about current performance and with accompanying financial tables. Going back to our investors page, companies often present on their websites the documents that they file with the SEC and that are posted in the EDGAR database at www.sec.gov. So here you can see the SEC filings for this company. Public companies usually have a quarterly conference call with analysts after releasing earnings. The public can listen to a webcast of the call by clicking on Webcasts and Events. Companies often make presentations at investor conferences and post their presentations to their website. You can get this company's presentations by clicking right there on Presentations. You can find information relating to the company's annual shareholders meeting, such as the proxy statement and the annual report on Form 10-K, in the Shareholder Services section. Here you have annual meeting materials. In the Corporate Governance section, companies disclose membership on board committees, as well as committee charters, board guidelines, and codes of conduct. Here's the information on corporate governance that you can get from this company. You can phone or email the company's investor relations contact right here. These people have as their job answering your questions as an investor. Please make use of all the valuable resources that you find on a company's website as you research your company. If you have any questions about searching company websites, please don't hesitate to email Madeline Cohen, Head of Reference, at madeline.cohen@lehman.cuny.edu, or please feel free to visit the reference desk at Leonard Leaf Library. We are here to help you.